In this video, we're going to open up the case for the Airpods Pro, the waterproof by Kmmin. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. I just purchased a case for the Airpods Pro. You gotta protect them, right? I don't know much about this case. It's waterproof, dustproof, drop resistant, scratch resistant, dual layer design, 360 total protection, wired or wireless charging, and it brings a carabiner. So let's open her up. Got some literature here. This is how it comes. Here's the carabiner to attach it to different things. Here's the case. I got the green because I thought it was different, and they have it in different colors. What it looks inside. Looks a bit bulky. See how she fits. She definitely fits. Let's open up the carabiner. You can hook it to different things. I don't think I'll be using this. When you open it, kind of just flops in the back. It looks like she'll get protected. Get them out. There you have it. Let's see if she can charge with a wireless charger. As you can see, the light's off. Now let's put on a wireless charger. Yep, there it is. The light lit up. You can see that little light. Off, on, off, on. Let's try to charge it with the cable. You open the back lid. Fits in good. There it is. The light's on. Okay, it doesn't go in as easily as you would think. Kind of have to get the AirPods out. Get it in this way. Just slips in there. There you go. Sweet, no. There we go. Now this whole thing comes apart. It's 2 pieces of rubber. There you are. My opinion, thing's a little bit flimsy. I wouldn't trust it on a real heavy rainy day. I think it's great to protect it from scratches and dust and all that, and maybe some light rain. But see, it doesn't even line up right. There you go. So we'll see how she performs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it informative, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell on the side to get notifications on future videos. Until next time.